So in this video, I will show you how you can fix MySQL Workbench error, which is no connection established. Here you can see in the red color, it is showing no connection established. I will show you how you can fix this error. So if you look at the bottom of this page, here you can also see a warning: could not connected, server may not be running, or unable to connect localhost. That means it is showing us a warning: server may not be running. So that is the cause of the error. That is the actual cause of the error. That means your MySQL server is not running in background. Basically, the MySQL server is running in the background of your system, so it's not working, it's not running at the moment. That's why it's showing no connection established. Or second reason may be you have not installed MySQL server at all. So let's see, a MySQL server is installed in my system. So I will go to services. I will check whether MySQL server is running in background or not. So I will go to services. I will search for services and open services. So these are all the services. Some of them are running and some of not running. So here search for MySQL. So scroll down and go for M. It's alphabetically arranged. So go for M, or here you can see MySQL 80. MySQL 80. This is the MySQL server, and here is the status. You can say status is not running. That means your MySQL server is not running in background. So you just need to start your MySQL server. Just select it, right click on it and click on start. So once you click on start, it has changed its status to running. That means your MySQL server is running right now, and it's running all the time in the background. So here you can say its status is running. That means your MySQL server is running. So now close this and open MySQL Workbench again. So I will close it and I will again open MySQL Workbench. Click for it, and here you can see this time if I click to localhost root, that means I try to log in. So just I click here, you can say it's asking for password. That means our connection is successfully established. Earlier you can see here there is a message: connection could not be established. So it's asking for root password. That means connection established successfully. So that's it, the error has gone. If I type the password for root, if I click OK, here you can see it is connected successfully and we are not seeing any error. So that's it. I hope you have also fixed this error. This is the very basic and simple error. You just need to check whether your MySQL server is running or not. That's it.